Summer pool cleaning doesn't have to be a headache anymore. Meet the AIPER Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, your personal pool assistant. This little powerhouse is designed for in-ground pool up to 1600 square feet, and it doesn't just stop at the floor. It climbs walls and even scrubs the waterline, leaving your pool crystal clean. Smart navigation makes sure it follow an intelligent cleaning path so no random wandering or miss spot. Caterpillar trends give it stability, no slipping, no getting stuck in corners. With four cleaning modes, auto, eco, floor only, and wall only, you can choose exactly how you want your pool cleaned. And here, the best part, it's run up to 150 minutes on a single charge. No apps or Wi-Fi needed, just drop it in and let it work.